Having trouble getting notifications from your Ring camera? You're not alone. This is a common issue. Ring notifications rely on a combination of your Ring device, your home Wi Fi, and the Ring app on your phone. The problem typically stems from software glitches, connectivity issues, incorrect notification settings, or phone permissions. Let's explore these causes and how to fix them. First, ensure notifications are enabled within the Ring app. Go to the app's settings, find Notifications, and make sure push notifications are toggled on for all relevant devices and event types like motion detection or doorbell rings. Next, verify that your phone's operating system isn't blocking notifications from the Ring app. Check your phone's settings under Apps or Notifications and ensure the Ring app has permission to send alerts, run in the background, and access mobile data or Wi-Fi. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi connection is a major culprit behind Ring camera notification issues. Your device must be connected to a stable Wi-Fi network, either on the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz band, to ensure reliable data transmission. First, ensure your Ring device is connected to a strong Wi-Fi signal. Check the signal strength in the Ring app and position your camera or doorbell closer to your router if needed. Try moving your router closer to the camera or doorbell to improve signal strength. This can eliminate dead zones in your home. Consider using a Wi-Fi extender if moving the router isn't practical. This device amplifies your signal to reach farther areas of your home. Make sure your home network is running properly by checking other devices for connectivity issues. Restart your router to refresh the connection and clear any temporary glitches. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. If problems persist, contact your ISP to ensure there are no issues on their end, such as throttling or port blocking. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Power cycle both your Ring device by removing and reinserting the battery or unplugging it for a minute, and do the same for your smartphone. Then check for updates to the Ring app in the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Outdated app versions can cause notification problems due to bugs or incompatibility with Ring's servers. As of late 2025, Ring released app version v7.8.2, which may fix many of these issues. Ring's smart notification filtering uses AI to prioritize alerts based on motion detection confidence levels. This helps reduce false positives from things like pets or wind. However, make sure this feature isn't filtering out important notifications that you need to see. Adjust your motion detection settings to find the right balance. Too high sensitivity can lead to excessive alerts, which might cause the AI filtering to become overly aggressive, while too low sensitivity might cause you to miss important events entirely. Experiment with different sensitivity levels in your Ring app to find the optimal balance for your specific environment and needs. Your phone's power-saving mode can restrict background app activity, potentially preventing Ring notifications. To fix this, you can either disable power-saving mode entirely or add the Ring app to the list of exceptions in your phone's settings. Similarly, Do Not Disturb mode silences all notifications on your phone. Make sure this mode is turned off or configure it to allow Ring notifications during specific times when you need to receive alerts. If none of these steps work, contact Ring support for further assistance. They may have device-specific troubleshooting steps or be aware of ongoing issues. Ring has improved notification reliability over time, and experts predict future improvements with AI-driven troubleshooting and better cross-platform compatibility. Keep your devices updated to take advantage of these advances. For the latest information, visit ring.com/help.